welcome back to the channel. I took a little break and some time because I was busy with work and things around the house. So anyway, I'm got some updates, and one of the updates is the camper. So the reason why I originally got this camper was because of the weight and the fact that I can pull it with my minivan and it doesn't go over the maximum tow capacity. However, we are getting a different vehicle in the near future, and it's going to be able to tow something a lot bigger. So considering this is a lot of work and I'll be getting a bigger vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and abandon the camper. I'm going to tear everything down and save what I can, and hopefully somebody else will be able to use it, and I'll sell whatever I can to make any money back off of it. And then I think I'm going to use the frame to build another trailer, which then I will sell as well. So I'll just have you guys watch me tear this down, and if you need any parts for an Aristocrat low liner or any other camper, just let me know and I will do my best to get it out to you. So sit back and watch, and we'll see this thing get torn down. so metal's pretty much off except the roof, and that shouldn't take long. It might even blow off with the wind we have coming up, but you can see that whole back end is just so rotted away. This side actually wasn't as bad as I thought. Back corner, then he started getting kind of up around the fridge, and then that corner. So this side really wasn't that bad, but even so, it's just a lot of work that I don't have the facilities for. So if I had like a big old shop, I can tear this whole thing down and lay it all out. I just and not get wet, rained on, maybe, but that's no big deal. So I want to keep on pressing on, and I'll start probably pull that back piece off, and then start pulling the roof off, and then the sides, and hopefully I can get all the, I'll sell a few of the things in there, such as the tabletop is actually in really good shape, and I don't know if the fridge works, but we're going to find out because I just found the plug for it. And then this is the bedding piece that goes up on this side, so that's good. And then the stove, I can't really see it, but the stove's in really good shape. I got the stove, what do you call the shield or hood, a couple of little spots. All the hardware is good. Some of these drawers are really in good shape, so it's just the inside stuff I'll take apart, and then we'll go from there. If anybody needs anything, let me know. I've pretty much taken off any usable parts in here. I'm sure there's a few other little odds and ends I'll get once I get some things out of the way. But pretty much take off the roof tomorrow and pull down the walls, pull up the floors, and see what's on that frame. And then I guess we're gonna burn whatever we can. Anyway, until next time.